Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to automate messages on WhatsApp. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step is to go WhatsApp Business. Let's go to Settings. Business Tools. Away Message, and check the box. Here we can put a custom message. Here we can choose in which time range this message will be sent, and here we can choose to whom to send it specifically. Now we go to Quick Replies. Here we can customize a reply message to a question. Click on the plus symbol at the top right. In shortcut would be the person's question, and below would be our answer. And in greeting message, we can choose a personalized greeting message as soon as a customer writes to us. That's all. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you.